and then combine that with a fractionated coconut oil. And then if you stay out in general any more than 15 minutes, you're going to want to use. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of tangerine essential oil. Tangerine has a long history of use in Chinese culture and herbal health practices. The essential oil supports healthy digestion and metabolism. Tangerine has a sweet, tangy aroma similar to other citrus oils that is uplifting. Tangerine is also known for its cleansing properties and for supporting a healthy immune and respiratory system function. Tangerine oil can also be used to help soothe anxious feelings and manage stress. A popular and flavorful addition to desserts and drinks, from water to fruit smoothies and even green smoothies, tangerine can be used in any recipe calling for citrus fruits. The top 3 common uses for doTERRA's tangerine essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of tangerine are that it cleanses and purifies the air and body, is a great antioxidant source, and supports healthy immune system function, and also can flavor your drinks. Directions for use are applying 2 drops in the palms of your hands and then rubbing your hands together, then breathing it in deeply after you cup them to uplift your mood. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like the pedal diffuser, and then add 2 drops per 8 ounces in water or even coconut milk. And you're going to want to make sure to use glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers for the cups. And then you're going to want to make sure to use alkaline, distilled, or reverse osmosis for the water. And then when it comes to topical use of tangerine, because this is a citrus oil, this can cause some photosensitivity. So you're going to want to make sure to use a natural sun protection at least 30 minutes in advance, and then combine that with a fractionated coconut oil. And then if you stay out in general any more than 15 minutes, you're going to want to use sun protection and then reapply that natural sun protection anytime you swim, shower, or sweat, as well as not going out after you applied it for at least 1 to 2 hours after application if you can wait that long. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.